Imagine a plant with more vitamin C than an orange, more calcium than milk, and more iron than spinach. Now imagine that almost no one in the Western world has ever heard of it. That powerful hook line is precisely what first grabbed my attention, and it's about a humble tree called Moringa. For years, I've seen it pop up in nutritional research and in traditional medicine texts. So I decided it was time to move past the hype and explore the facts. We'll break down what a month of daily Moringa actually does. Before we dive into my experience, let's establish a clear understanding of what Moringa actually is. The plant in question is Moringa oleifera, a fast-growing, drought-resistant tree, native to the Himalayan foothills of India and Pakistan. It also thrives in many other tropical and subtropical regions, Africa, Southeast Asia, Latin America. Often called the drumstick tree because of its long, slender seed pods, or the miracle tree due to its wide range of uses, nearly every part of the Moringa tree is edible and has been utilized for centuries. The use of Moringa is deeply rooted in traditional systems of medicine, most notably Ayurveda, where it has been employed for hundreds of years to address various ailments. In these ancient practices, the leaves, seeds, flowers, roots were used to create remedies for everything from digestive complaints to skin conditions. The claims about Moringa's nutritional content are what truly set it apart. So let's examine the numbers. While fresh leaves are nutritious, the dried leaf powder concentrates the nutrients. Removing the water concentrates everything else. On a gram-for-gram dry weight basis, Moringa's profile is impressive. A typical 10-gram serving, about 1 tablespoon, of dried Moringa powder. Values vary with growing and processing, but the picture is powerful. Vitamin C. Some analyses. Moringa powder contains more vitamin C than an orange on a dry weight basis. Oranges are mostly water. Dried Moringa is more concentrated. Vitamin C is a crucial antioxidant that supports immune function and skin health. Calcium. Moringa powder has been shown to contain more calcium than milk powder on a dry weight basis. Great calcium option for dairy-free or plant-based diets. Iron. Moringa stands tall versus other green vegetables. Moringa powder can contain substantially more iron than spinach by dry weight. That makes it valuable for helping maintain healthy iron levels. Finally, don't overlook its protein content. Moringa is unusually rich in protein for a leaf, containing all 9 essential amino acids. That rare, complete plant protein makes Moringa attractive for vegetarians, vegans, and athletes. It's this combination of vitamins, minerals, and complete protein that elevates Moringa to a nutritional powerhouse. Source: USDA Food Data Central and various academic papers on Moringa oleifera composition. With a solid understanding of what Moringa is, let's move on to the 30-day experiment. It's important to state that this is an anecdotal account, but it aligns with what many people report and what early research suggests might happen. I started with 1 teaspoon of Moringa powder in my morning smoothie each day. In the first week, the most noticeable effect was a subtle but sustained lift in energy. It wasn't a jittery caffeine buzz, but rather a smooth, clean feeling of alertness that lasted through the afternoon. Some studies suggest this may be due to the rich combination of B vitamins, iron, magnesium, all of which play a crucial role in energy metabolism. By the second week, I started noticing other gentle shifts. My digestion felt more regular and efficient, a benefit often attributed to Moringa's fiber content and anti-inflammatory compounds. This is also when the antioxidant benefits may begin to compound. Moringa is packed with powerful antioxidants like quercetin chlorogenic acid. Early research indicates that chlorogenic acid, in particular, may help moderate blood sugar levels after meals. While I don't have blood sugar issues, I did perceive a more stable energy level without the typical post-lunch slump some people experience. Entering the 3rd week, the focus shifted toward Moringa's anti-inflammatory properties. Some user reports and preliminary studies suggest that the isothiocyanates in Moringa may have a potent anti-inflammatory effect. For me, this manifested as slightly less muscle soreness after my workouts. If my experience and the nutritional data have you curious, you might be wondering how to incorporate Moringa into your own routine. Fortunately, it's incredibly versatile and easy to use. It is popular among a wide range of people, from athletes, busy professionals seeking a natural energy boost, individuals focused on plant-based nutrition. One of the most common methods is simply adding the dried leaf powder to a smoothie. Its mild, earthy flavor and its spinach-like note blend well with fruits and vegetables. Makes an easy addition to your morning ritual. Beyond smoothies, stir moringa powder into hot water for a simple tea or add it to lattes. Sprinkle it over your food like other herbs or spices. Mix it into oatmeal, yogurt, soups, salad dressings. With fresh moringa leaves, use them in salads or cook them like spinach or like kale. Find a method you enjoy and can stick with consistently. Start small and listen to your body. A good starting point is 1 to 3 grams per day, roughly half a teaspoon to 1 full teaspoon. You can increase up to about 10 grams, around a tablespoon per day if tolerated. Smaller doses let your digestive system adjust. Choose a high-quality product. Look for reputable brands with third-party lab testing results. Ensure the powder is free from heavy metals and contaminants. Safety note: while generally safe, consult your doctor before adding moringa, especially if you take medications. It can affect blood sugar and blood pressure and may interact with diabetes medications or blood thinners. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should avoid high doses. After 30 days of daily use and a deep dive into the research, what is the final verdict? Moringa is certainly not a miracle cure that will solve all your health problems overnight. However, it is an exceptionally nutrient-dense plant rooted in traditional use with a growing body of scientific evidence. Adding moringa can boost your intake of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, complete protein. It is a tool, and a very good one at that. Approach it with realistic expectations. Choose a lab-tested product, start small, and see how your body responds. Now I'm curious to hear from you. Have you tried moringa? What was your experience like? Share your thoughts in the comments below. This is for educational purposes only. Always consult a qualified healthcare practitioner before changing your diet or regimen.